What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Tayi Simone, and I am back with some daily messages. Today is January 26, 2022, and let's see what Spirit has for us today. If you are new to the channel, we create tarot videos, affirmation videos, meditation videos, audiobooks, and we're currently creating our very own tarot deck called Celebrate Life. So if you're interested in seeing that journey or the behind the scenes of any of those things, check out our Patreon and make sure you subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. So let's see what we got today. Hey, honey. I'm gonna try to wave. I hope I did it. Hold on. Let's see what messages we have today. I hope it's not too dark in here. Oh, wow. The world reversed. Can you see that? I hope so. I don't even know. I think it's too much light, maybe. I'll put it here. But the world reversed. The Page of Pentacles. Alright, so I feel like collectively we're coming out of cycles and we're being offered new opportunities. I feel like we're deciding to come out of these cycles. The title card, yeah, so it's definitely centered around self. The reading is centered around dealing with yourself. It's not too dark, but the sun is blinding. Man. Let me see. Maybe, matter of fact, let me try to close the blind. Let me see if that helps. Does that help? I hope that helps. It doesn't look like it helped too much. But yeah, so I feel like the reading is centered around yourself and coming out of cycles and kind of focusing on yourself and making changes for yourself. So far we have the World reversed, the Page of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, the Two of Pentacles reversed, and the title card. Seven of Pentacles reversed. So yeah, I feel like you're reassessing your situation, or you've been looking at your situation and you've been finding things that haven't worked for you or things that did not work for you, and you've been making changes, and in making those changes you've made space for new opportunities to come in. And with the Wheel upright, I feel like they're coming if they're not already here. So we have the Five of Swords reversed, the Ace of Pentacles reversed, the Magician. And one more card, please, Spirit. Hey, Sydney. I feel like with the Five of Swords reversed, I feel like it's been a mental battle going back and forth with yourself on what to make changes on, and what you need to do concerning yourself, maybe concerning your money, concerning your finances, maybe concerning, it's a lot of pentacles now that I'm looking at it, it's almost all pentacles. So I feel like you're really changing a financial situation or a stability situation. I feel like you're manifesting new opportunities with the Magician, the Page of Pentacles, and the Seven of Pentacles reversed. Let's see. I feel like you are saving yourself. You're saving yourself by literally assessing your situation and making changes and saying no to certain opportunities, or saying no to whatever it was that did not work for you. You're like, no, I can do better. With the Ace of Pentacles reversed and the Magician. That's cool. I like the reading so far. Like it doesn't feel sad, but it's not like it feels like a transition. Like a transition. I feel like the wheel is literally turning as we speak. Like the cycle has ended, and because the cycle has ended, now these new things are on their way. Excuse me, these new things are on their way if they're not already here. Okay, what's this? 2 cards. But we have the 8 of Swords reversed and the 3 of Wands. So yeah, I feel like we're in a space of waiting. Like waiting for things to come in. Now that we've worked through all of the financial or stability issues, I feel like whatever it was like embedded in you that made you feel like you couldn't manifest, you're letting go of, you're addressing those things, and you're making a decision to not take them, to not take those old ways of thinking about pinnacle like situations. Like in this particular case, I really feel like it's finances. Like you're letting go of old ways of thinking about those things, and in doing that, again, we're bringing in these new opportunities. But now that you've done the spiritual work and you've let all of those things go, now you're in a space of waiting for the opportunities to come in. With the 3 of Wands, he's waiting for his ships to come in. Bottom of the deck, we have the 6 of Cups reversed. So it's definitely letting go of the past or old ways of thinking. The Page of Swords reversed and the 5 of Cups. So yeah, I feel like you're cutting out the emotions of a situation. So like, excuse me, I gotta breathe. So like if you maybe had parents or like family that told you couldn't do certain things financially, or you couldn't attain a certain level of success, you're letting that go. And you're creating something new for yourself with the Magician. And now that you're doing that, maybe you had to sever ties with people. You had to say, no, I can't go here. Or you had to pretty much give up some fights. Like just let them quote unquote win. Like just let them have certain shit. And then you just kept doing your own thing. And now you're waiting. Like you're waiting for the wheel to keep turning. So let's see what money card we get for the reading. Hey, Bossy. Money messages for the collective, January 26, 2022. I feel like if you are waiting, I said this on one of the readings earlier, one of the sign money readings. Like if you're waiting for something, don't wait. Like, and what I mean by that is like hustle harder or plant more seeds. Like don't just kind of stand around in a stagnant kind of energy, just like waiting on something to come in, like waiting on the wheel to turn. While you're waiting on the wheel to turn, you could be working on something else. You could be examining something else. You could be, you know what I'm saying? You could be manifesting something else. So while you're working on this new thing, not only are you continuing an energy or a flow of movement in your life, you know what I'm saying? Like you're creating more opportunities for yourself. Dang, we got fired. And then hustle harder at the bottom. So I feel like with fired, to me, it's like a card of loss or something ending. And then something ending, obviously something is beginning. So that's what I'm feeling. Like I'm feeling like maybe either you got fired from like an old job, or you quit, or you let something go. Something is old and something is done. Like with it being fired is done. Like there's no way you can go back to it. So there's no way you can go back to that old way of thinking. There's no way you could go back to that old way of seeing things. Like it's over. And then it being over, again, like just keep moving forward. So like you've done this work and there's a need to keep moving forward. Because I feel like you're not really doing anything, or you feel like there's nothing left to do, or you feel like you've completed something, and I don't feel like that's really the way to move. Because in being still too still for too long. Don't get me wrong. It's definitely good to be still sometimes, but being too still for too long will create more stagnant energy in your life, and that's not what you want. So let's get a card to clarify fired. Why is fire here? That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Okay. So to clarify fired, we have the Six of Wands. And the Six of Wands deals with success. So I feel like it's a blessing in disguise, whatever this release is, whatever this loss is, or these things that you've been letting go, and letting go of these things and making peace with that and acknowledging why you let them go. Letting some people have some shit, just let that shit go. You're literally creating more success for yourself. Because if you stay focused on, oh my God, like I got fired or this loss has happened, then instead of manifesting for the wheel to turn in your favor, for you to have good things to wait on, you're literally going to be creating things that keep you in that energy, like, or more things, worse things to keep you in that energy. Wow, bottom of the deck, Two of Pentacles again in reverse. So I feel like you've made this decision. It's done. Four of Wands reversed and the Tower. So yeah, so you're letting go of an old partnerships, old situations, like I just keep hearing partnerships. So I just feel like old partnerships, and that's creating, I don't even know if you can see that, but that's creating the Tower in your life. Making these decisions. So, how am I doing on time? I'm going to pull a moon card and then we're going to wrap this up. If you are new to the channel, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. A moon card for this reading, please. Oh. Confidence is your key to success. At the bottom of the deck, a personal issue reaches resolution. So yeah, you're definitely ending something. Something is done. And in order to keep moving forward in a positive manner, you want to be the magician. And in being the magician, you want to be confident in the things that you feel like are successful in your life, or the things that you feel like you want to have, because the wheel is in your favor. So I feel like whatever you ask for at this time, you're literally getting. But you have to be confident. Like, don't let nobody tell you what you can and can't have. And I don't care what it looks like. I don't care if you got fired. I don't care how many losses you had. Like, you could have lost every day, but today is your day. So that is what I have for you today, collective. And until next time, later.